You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this word. This is also a given name. It's a word from French meaning a pear tree, the tree that gives pears, the fruit. Poirier is the French pronunciation. Poirier is how you call a pear tree. Now, in English, it's often pronounced Poirier. Poirier. It should really be Poirier, Poirier, but it's often pronounced Poirier, from French, Poirier. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.